So hello everyone. Today we will discuss graphs. Graphs. We will discuss different graphs. Uh, the very first one is uniform speed graph. Then non-uniform speed. उसके बाद यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. And non-uniform motion. So let us study these graphs. Non-uniform motion, right? So as we know that a graph has two axes. For one axis is x, one axis is y. Generally, it is not. We cannot say that every time it will be x or y axis. But for an instance, we will just understand by x axis and y axis only. In the uniform speed, in the cases of speed, basically, I will take this x axis to be the time, right? To be the time, and this y axis to be the distance. In this case also, this axis will be the time and this will be the distance. Alright, so I'll plot some of the points. As we know that in the case of uniform speed, what happens? I'll just plot some of the points. Alright, if I take distance and time column, we know that with the respect of time, speed distance changes, right? Suppose in 1 second the distance covered is 5. In the 2 seconds the distance is 10, and in the 3 15, because it is uniform speed. Well, the speed is increasing uniformly. So we'll plot the points 1, 2 and 3, and this is 5, 10, 15, right? So what we will observe, at the very first second the distance was 5 meters, so we will get this point. At the second it was this one, and in the third this point has come. So we will observe this, that in the case of uniform speed we will have a straight line graph. Because it is uniform. Distance is changing with respect to time. Equal distance is changing in equal interval of times. But in the case of non-uniform, what will happen? We can understand it. In the case of non-uniform, we will observe that distance will not change according to time, right? Suppose the distance is 5, then it will become 15, then it will get 20. As we can see, distance is not changing in accordance of time. Here it is having a gap of 10 meters, then 5. Now we shall observe its graph. 1, 2 and 3. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20. Right? At the very first second it was 5. At the second it was 15. And the third it was 20. So what we will observe? We will observe a certain kind of curve in it. In the case of non-uniform speed, there will be never a straight line. We'll observe that there is a curve over here. There is a curve. In this part there is a curve. So we can understand this thing. In the case of non-uniform speed, there will be never a straight line. There will be curve in it. Now we will discuss about uniform motion. In the case of motion, we will take this x-axis to be time only. But in the case of y-axis, it will become velocity now. It will become velocity. Right? So let us observe it. We know that what is uniform motion. Uniform motion means time remains same. Time is differing. Time will be differing, but the velocity will be the same. Suppose a car is moving, right? A car is moving 40 km/h constantly. Then only we say that it is a uniform motion. Because we can see with respect of time, velocity should not change. It will be 40, 40 and 40. This is the graph of uniform motion. Consider 10, 20, 30 and 40. This is 40, right? So we will observe that at the very first second, that is the velocity was 40. At the second also it was 40, and in the third second also it was 40. So what we observed? We observed there is a straight line parallel to x-axis. This is a straight line parallel to axis, parallel to time. So this is a graph of uniform motion, not uniform speed. It is a graph of uniform motion. But when we talk about non-uniform motion, what is non-uniform motion? It could also be, there is a certain types of graphs for the non-uniform motion. Let us consider. What will be here, that with the respect of time velocity will change. टाइम के साथ साथ क्या होगी, velocity change होती जाएगी. जैसे यहाँ पे 1 सेकेंड पे 40 है, राइट. सेकेंड सेकेंड पे 45 हो गया, फिर 50 हो गया, फिर 55 हो गया. तो अब हम ये समझेंगे कि जब velocity change करती है with respect to time, it is called acceleration. It is called acceleration actually. So we can understand that non-uniform motion could be acceleration also. And acceleration is of three types, right? Three types. Positive acceleration. Positive acceleration means when the speed is increasing, when the velocity is increasing, right? And negative, when the velocity is decreasing. So we will have an instance of it. Let us take one example, this example only. And 4. Earlier it was, suppose this point is 40, now 45. I'm just putting a bar over here, 50 and 55. Now we will observe that at very first second it was 40, right? At 45 it was 2. Now at 50 it is 3, and at 55 it is 4. We can observe a straight line again a straight line. So in this case, when non-uniform motion is there but acceleration is positive, acceleration is uniform, we can say acceleration is uniform, then we will have a straight line. Now let us discuss about, here very important point to note is that velocity is constantly increasing with respect to time. There could be other two cases when the velocity is not increasing with respect to time, or the second case is when the velocity is decreasing. When the velocity is decreasing, it will be the negative case, and when the velocity is not increasing uniformly, then that is a non-uniform motion but non-uniform acceleration, right?